silenced by death. Anklets stained with blood, tattered dupattas, kids' shoes lying around. All that is left at Hathras' Satsang Sthal, which turned into a morgue last night. One of the worst such tragedies in decades, the stampede at Bhole Baba's religious congregation killed at least 121 devotees, mostly women. In a matter of minutes, this overwhelming crowd went out of control, crushing hundreds to death. A situation the organizers and the authorities were unprepared for. But what really happened? The state government's FIR says the incident happened the moment Bhole Baba departed from the venue. This is the exit route that the Baba took after the event. Huge crowds surged towards him to collect the dust of his tire trail, a ritual that has been seen at earlier congregations of this particular Baba as well. In fact, as the crowd surged towards the Baba's car, they trampled various devotees who were bowing down here on the roads. In fact, some of them were in fact also thrown to that dish that you can see there across the road. Horrified residents of the village blamed the local administration and Baba's Sevadars, the organizers of the event, for the deadly chaos.
गाड़ी जब काफिला निकला तो धूल लेने के लिए झुके, इधर भीड़ का भी रेला तो एक दूसरे में धक्का मुक्की में इधर नीची जगह थी. इधर
this dish that we have been reporting about, यहाँ पर this is where they fell.
गीला भी था तो उसमें गिरते चले गए तरह ऊपर वो लोग एक दूसरे के उससे. और इनके जो सेवादार थे उन्होंने भी डंडे लगा के उन्हें रोकने की कोशिश की. कुछ लोग उसकी वजह से ज्यादा गिरे.
From crowds much beyond the permissible limit, thin police deployment, no contingency plan to a single entry and exit point for a gathering of 2.5 lakh people, the initial probe reveals glaring lapses by the authorities. This is a ditch from where most of the bodies were recovered. The space is completely unfit to accommodate even the 80,000 people for whom permission was granted. It was turned into a complete swamp after mild rains yesterday. While the organizers blame the government says the organizers were uncooperative. But even an officer on duty, severely injured in the incident, recalls her helplessness.
भीड़ जो प्रोग्राम समाप्त होने के बाद एक साथ भीड़ निकली. भीड़ में मैं भी थी. महिलाएं गिरने लगी, मैं उठाने लगी महिलाओं को और उठाते उठाते मैं भी गिर गई. मेरे ऊपर भी काफी महिलाएं गिरी.
आपको कौन लेकर आया अस्पताल?
मेरा बेटा लेके आया.
With hundreds of his devotees dead and many others fighting for survival, this self-styled godman hides unashamedly inside his palatial ashram in neighboring Mainpuri.
बाबा भोले वो यहीं पर आए. सीओ साहब हमारे साथ में हैं. सर यहाँ पर हैं अभी बाबा की नहीं अपने आश्रम में?
जब कल ही बता चुका कि हम जब यहाँ आए थे तो बाबा तो है नहीं यहाँ पर.
अच्छा बाबा नहीं है, लेकिन उनके जो यहाँ पर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हैं वो तो कल कह रहे थे कि 3 बजे के बाद में बाबा यहाँ पर आए थे.
आपसे कहोगे, मुझे तो नहीं कहे.
सर हमारे पास बाइट है उनकी.
वो आपसे कहोगे, हमसे तो नहीं.
While the hunt for the notorious Baba is still on, the yogi who met the victims in Hathras has promised to uncover what he calls a conspiracy.
इस प्रकार के आयोजन में जो सेवादार प्रशासन को अंदर घुसने नहीं देते, इस पूरी घटनाक्रम के लिए हम लोगों ने एडीजी आगरा की अध्यक्षता में एक SIT गठित की है. किस प्रकार की घटना केवल एक हादसा नहीं होता. अगर हादसा भी है तो उसके पीछे कौन जिम्मेदार है यह हर व्यक्ति जानता है कि सज्जन के फोटो किसके साथ में है.
मैं कहता हूँ किस बाबा की गिरफ्तारी कराएं बताओ तुम. 2 बाबा हैं वहाँ.
The government's assurances make no difference to the bereaved families, most of whom will never even get a chance to bid their loved ones a final goodbye. While questions and administrative lapses persist, this incident also captures the conundrum of a country deeply rooted in faith. The power that these men masquerading as messiahs exercise on people. Well, they continue to play with the lives of people and get away with it. In cases like this, can we ever fix accountability, especially in a country where faith and superstition are often one and the same thing? In Hathras with camera person Pavan Kumar, Vedant for NDTV.